Hey everybody, this is Riff. How you doing out there? Just a quick update. Still dealing with this gout in my hand and foot. Not getting much better, and it's the worst case I've ever had and the longest lasting case I've ever had. But I'm still being treated for it, and it has improved, so that's something. But I just hope it's over with soon because I'm just sick of it. And I really want to get back to working on my stuff. But I wanted to give you guys a quick update and let you know what's going on, and that's where it's at. So I'll see you all soon. Thanks for your patience. Hang tough and enjoy RCing, everybody. Riff out.